Had you no luck with selling online yet, or are you just starting and don't seem to get anywhere? Well, chances are you don't even know whom you're talking to.
Let me explain.
If you have or wanted to start an online business, you probably have seen a flashy number that you want to replicate in your bank account. But have you ever asked yourself, who actually is your customer? And I don't mean basic demographics like age, gender, and power in Rise of Kingdom.
I've got 80 million power in Rise of Kingdoms.
I'm talking about interest, motivation, pain points, and who they are at their very core. This is exactly what I want to go over in this video. We are talking about who they are, where they are, how hot they are, how to get their attention, and how you can build credibility with them. This has all been battle tested by Russell Brunson, who used these concepts to generate insane amounts of wealth.
Hot damn!
And now I want to equip you with the same knowledge. One enormous problem that many entrepreneurs face, at least on the subconscious level, is money chasing. This problem is exaggerated by financial gurus telling you, make $1,000 a day by literally breathing air. How to go from 80K in debt to $1 billion in 1 month. You get the idea. But as we learned in the last video, your customers don't care about your selfish desires. Tell me, do you want to start a business because of money, or do you want to provide humanity with value?
Thank you.
One of my favorite quotes from The Magic of Thinking Big is, put service first, and money takes care of itself. If you can solve a need for millions of people, you will be worth millions. That's why your first question when starting a business should be, what problem or need am I solving? Who is my dream customer? The better you can define who you want to work with, the more fulfilled you will be, and the more money you will make. Open up a text document and answer these questions. Who are my dream clients? What do they look like? What are they passionate about? What are their goals, dreams, and desires? What are the offers I could create that would attract them and repel everyone else? This is the customer I use for this channel. The better I can nail these points, the better my videos get received. Every business must apply these principles. Just look at one example featured in the book. Dean and Robin launched a makeup company that sells special brushes because Robin suffers from a condition called polycystic ovarian syndrome, and these brushes help her to feel more confident. However, after 2 years, they got nowhere because their avatar were women.
Women.
All women who use makeup. Once they refined their dream customer, women who also suffered from PCOS, and adjusted their marketing, landing page, and everything else, they went from $34,000 in the previous year to making over $100K in 60 days. They could have sold even more if they had more inventory. This leads me to my next question. Where are your customers congregating? One of the most powerful attributes of the internet is that people across the world can gather in the same places. Everyone who likes fitness can go on the internet and talk to other people, give and get advice, and watch motivational videos. Think about where your customers are. What are the websites they go to? What are the people they follow on social media? What keywords are they searching for? Once you get this down, marketing becomes way easier. Don't just use TikTok ads because someone told you so. Advertising self-improvement stuff, for example, on TikTok will do you nothing because your customers won't be on TikTok. It's like fishing. The body of water determines what fish you can hook. Don't expect a freshwater fish like a koi in the middle of the ocean. We'll cover this topic in a minute, but first of all, we need to discuss how hot your customers are. So, what the hell do I mean by this? I'm talking about the traffic temperature. You cannot use one ad, one landing page, or one story for every kind of person. Depending on the person, they may not know what solution they seek, or they just don't have enough trust in you yet. Think of it like this. If your customer is aware of your product and knows it can solve his need, the headline starts with the product. If he is only aware of the desire and not your product, the headline starts with the desire. If he is only aware of his general problem but doesn't know what the solution is, the headline starts with the problem and explains the need. Figuring out where they are on this scale determines the traffic and how likely they are to buy from you. Hot traffic consists of your loyal followers who trust you because you built a relationship with them. They know what you offer them and what solutions you provide. Warm traffic consists of people who don't know you and are aware of other solutions to their problems. They are followers of other people in your market. Cold traffic comprises people who have a problem but don't know what solutions there are. These are the hardest kind of customers to convert. Knowing where they are and their temperature determines what hooks them. Refining your dream customer allows you to create better hooks, which leads to higher conversion rates. So how can you build a loyal following and convert a decent portion of your customer base to hot traffic? Through the attractive character. The attractive character is the person who represents your brand and is designed to appeal to your dream customer. This character can be based on you, the business owner, or a fictional character that embodies the values and qualities of your brand. The attractive character should be relatable and aspirational. They should have qualities that your dream customer admires and wants to emulate. For example, if you run a fitness business, your attractive character could be a fitness coach who is knowledgeable, supportive, and motivating. They should be authentic and transparent, sharing their own struggles and experiences to build credibility with your audience. In this video, I want to quickly cover the 4 key elements that every character should embody. The rest is a topic for its own separate video, so stay tuned for the follow-up. First, have a backstory that people can resonate with. It is far more motivating for people to watch someone successful who built everything himself, who endured hardships, but still managed to win in the end, instead of someone who was handed everything that he could ever dream of on a silver platter. Second, speak in parables. Instead of explaining people facts, start telling stories. Telling a story will make it easier to get a point across and remembering those stories. Third, have flaws. Being human means being imperfect. Being honest and transparent about your flaws helps you build a better relationship with your audience and gives you credibility. Fourth, be polarizing. Being polarizing means building a loyal tribe of your dream customers and repelling everyone else. Having no polarity at all leads to a lot of customers you really don't want to deal with. Being neutral means being boring. People are looking for a leader that doesn't follow every mainstream advice. Someone who gladly shares his opinions and tells people the truth. With these new insights in mind, I could hopefully provide you with valuable knowledge that you can use in your future endeavors. Learning out-of-the-box information is crucial to building a good business. If you want to know more about how you can build a great business, you should watch this no BS guide that can generate stupid amounts of money for you. It features some key topics that aren't talked about a lot. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for similar content in the future.